going to change the oil on the Mustang. So we're gonna start first, make it everything is secure. So we're gonna lift it up. We're using some Rhino. We're using these Rhino ramps. Pretty good, especially when if the vehicle is low profile like mine. So we do that, and then we secure on the back of the wheels. Make sure it doesn't roll back on us, so we don't get hurt. So make sure you have that. It's dirty. It's gonna get a wash today. And we got this new oil drain. This is from Fumoto. This is from Fumoto. You can see it right there. This is pretty cool. It has a little clamp so it doesn't open. They're pretty cool because it can go in the oil. And by the way, this thing is rusty. Ah, great. I hope I don't have any issues. I got issues last time. Didn't come off. Okay, so we're gonna change that. I'm gonna place this new guy on it. I did it already with my van, with my wife's van, sorry. It's a Dodge Caravan, and it works perfect. So I don't have to worry about unplugging, put it back, take it off, you know, like, or if it's tight, you can take it off, stuff like that. So this one is very easy. I'll show you how to do it. This is for the Ford Mustang 2006 V6. You have to look into the web page. They come from Japan. You can see right there. They're pretty good. I don't have any issues so far with the one on the Dodge. I've been using it. That one I think I have a year and a half or 2 years with it, and it still works fine. They have adapters for low profile cars. I had this one because of that, so I made sure it doesn't go all the way down. It goes more like this. I'll show you. This car is rusty, so okay. Oh my goodness, I hope I survive today. Actually I need to change something else here. I'll try to change this here because it's making noises, so I don't know if it's that. We'll see if we can do it today. My plans are to do some paint on the calipers. These bad boys, because they don't look good. I'll clean them up, paint them, change the oil. I'm just waiting to cool off a little bit, and then we'll wash the car. And I have plans to go out with it. Got a concert, so to go to. So hopefully we can get this done. Okay, we'll continue with the video later.